First one is your reactive osteitis. This can be seen because of trauma, can be seen because of cellulitis, inflammatory arthropathy. Okay. And this will also have high marrow signal on fluid sensitive, which is T2 and stir sequences. Now, how to differentiate the reactive osteitis from osteomyelitis? Okay. Distinguishing means here which differential you will keep on top. Okay. I'm not saying that this is a complete cut criteria to differentiate that this is reactive osteitis and this is definitely osteomyelitis. No, I'm just saying that which differential you will keep on top depending on the findings which you get on T1 weighted images. So reactive osteitis, I told you, pressure source, inflammatory arthropathies, cellulitis, and trauma. Okay. Both are high signal on T2 weighted images. Okay. But you have to carefully scrutinize your T1 weighted images. Okay. You have to carefully scrutinize your T1 weighted images.